Today, I am going to show you a product that I use, and I will show you several that I've purchased. I've spent a good bit of money on different types throughout the years of being an artist, but I will show you these brushes are ones that you would normally just throw away. They're bad. Now, some of them I will use to make special marks on my art, but I don't want all my brushes. They're so stiff that they're gone. They're gone. And then some are, have chunks of paint in them. And this is because I didn't take care. This is all down in this, near the metal. It got paint. The top part's nice, but this part isn't. So I'm going to show you a product that will clean these brushes in such an incredible way. I can't wait to show you. I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to do a demonstration on cleaning your brushes. And it's to me, it's a cathartic thing. It's relaxing to me to clean my brushes, but I don't know, it's kind of like, how interesting is the demo going to be? But it's a question I've asked, and I have found several products that work for cleaning your brushes, but I found one product in one tool that worked the best for me. So I have this Bristol cleaner, and I've used this for quite a few years. It works, but it was just so-so for me. I found this brush cleaner, and this is by Jazzco. Then I found this was recommended to me. This is the Masters, and it works pretty well. But the thing that I found that works incredible is Murphy's Oil Soap. And it is a wood cleaner to concentrate. It's 99% natural, it's biodegradable, and I'm going to do a demonstration using this product because it is incredible. Now, here's two, very simple. This is just a jar, probably like a Nutella or a peanut butter jar. And this is just a, type of a dollar store. And I get these, and there'll be a link below. I get these little inserts, and they suction down to the bottom, and they're actually for cleaning brushes. And this one's, there it goes. This one's smaller. It's a narrower one. The reason why I have two is because this one is for whiter brushes. So I'm going to work on just the smaller one. And I have not tried this brush yet. I'm going to try this with you. This is so stiff. I actually use this in my art to make wonderful marks, but I have a couple. It's when you leave your brush out and you don't clean it. So we're going to see what Murphy's Oil Soap does on this one, but I'm going to do that last. So I take my soap and I just pour a little bit into the bottom of the jar. So they're dirty, and then I have a bucket of clean water, and then I have like a little stand I'm going to put them in. So all I do is I kind of dip the brush down in the Murphy's Oil Soap, and I just dab it on the top of this little brush cleaner, and it gets down into the bristles. And when I know it's clean, I dump it in the water. Let's do another one. This one's pretty dirty too. So dip it down in there. And this, bouncing it up and down, gets down into the bristles. Now I'm going to do this one. I have no idea what this is going to do. This has been sitting for probably 4 years stiff. So what I may do is just let it sit in the Murphy's Oil Soap for a little bit while I rinse these out. Now I will rinse these in my utility sink. And I have a big bucket I like to dump this, but it's biodegradable, and it says it's safe. But look how beautiful
is this soft, it just turns out incredible. Again, I will put those underwater in my utility room. All right, so let's see what this has done. Well, it has actually lessened. There's still an awful, like there's a big clog, but look at that. It is even starting to pull the paint off of, that was stiff before. It is actually starting to pull the paint. So this Murphy's oil soap, with the exception of this clunk right here, and I bet you if I let this sit in the oil soap, I may lose my beautiful brush that I use to scrub and make incredible marks when it's really hard. But I wanted to see if this Murphy's oil soap, 99% natural, biodegradable, it's a wood cleaner, and it is absolutely great.